Hey folks, what's up? So in previous video I told the video editor apps, some of them for Android, but in this video I'll be telling you some video editor apps that are good and very good for professional level video editing. So let's get started. Hey guys, it's usual, and today's video I'll be telling you some best video editors for PC, and let's get started. So number 8 is Techsmith Camtasia. It is a very basic video editor for people, those who are looking for very basic video editing like adding transition, adding the clip, trimming, and adding the audio. It's very simple and it's very basic. So it has also a feature for screen recorder, and you can record it. So number 7 is Pinnacle Studio. So this software I haven't used, so I cannot tell you how good is this, but I have seen some pictures that I saw it and I thought that this is a really good app, and it's a little more than the basic, and you can do all this stuff like editing, and you can also do much more. Number 6 is CyberLink PowerDirector. As you have heard of the CyberLink PowerDirector, it's one of the most famous video editor, and you can use this for video editing, and it has very much features. You can also export the video in 4K. Yes, this PowerDirector also provides you to export your video in 4K. So go and check out. So number 5 is my Filmora. Yes, Filmora, Wondershare Filmora is one of the most famous video editor for a very professional level video editing. Not so professional, but at least you can make your videos a little bit more professional. So I have used this, and I have used this for so long, and you can also use this for video editing. Its workflow is very good, and it has many more features, and it has a brilliant video editing workflow. So use this. I would recommend you, if you haven't used any video editor, you can use this software, because I have started with the CyberLink PowerDirector, and then I went to the Filmora. So Filmora has been one of my best video editor, so go and check out. Number 4 is Sony Vegas Pro. I haven't used this software, but I have installed it, but I have seen a little bit features, but you can do so much in this. It's like editing your videos for Hollywood movies or for Bollywood movies. Yes, this video editor provides you so much features that you can make your footage like Hollywood scene or a Bollywood scene. So use this software. I would recommend you to use this because it is very professional level video editor. Number 3 is one of my favorite video editor. It's the Davinci Resolve, and that is also available as studio version where you can do color grading. It's mainly famous for color grading, and you can do very cool color grading. Also you can add some effects like Hollywood After Effects that Adobe includes. So that type of effects also you can do with Davinci Resolve in the Fusion section. So go with it and have a try.
Now number 2 is Final Cut Pro. As you know that Final Cut Pro is not available for the Windows version, but it's available for the Mac version. Yes, you can do this, and I haven't used Final Cut Pro because I don't have a Mac PC, but if you have, you can use this software for very professional level video editing. So go with it. And number 1 is the Premiere Pro by Adobe. Yes, this is one of the most famous and my most favorite video editor. Yes, I like it because it has too much cool features that you can edit, and you can do lots of stuff like adding some effects like the Hollywood scene that has, but you have to use the tricks to apply that effects. So it is very good video editor. I would recommend you use this if you want to edit for video or for music video. Go with it. So this is it. So hit like if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe if you got help, and comments if you have any problem. So see you in the next video.